girdles. It's a Diwali celebration at the Royal Bank of Canada Convention Center. Like it accommodates about like 5,000 people. That's right. How can we say we are bad? Even if we are, we won't say. The center. Geographic Center of North America, Winnipeg. Okay. Okay, whatever you say. And that's just all kind of dosa. No, it's just potatoes. They're selling idlis and dosas only. See, this is how they're making. These are like tawas. This is amazing. The girdle, yeah, masala dosa with the potatoes. And this is like electric, not like running on any kind of fire or gas. Very slow process. My husband has gone to buy the Indian platter for my daughter. It's not actually. No, but the one that they are doing here is very slow. The line is not moving. Yeah, that's right. That's what I was saying. The process here I'm talking, not in general. I don't know. I protected. Good question. No. What do you mean, Christian, Hindu, or what? I mean, I hate this question. Are you Hindu? Are you Muslim? Are you Christian? What the hell are you asking? They're ruining the whole thing by asking me the religion. And I'm not your mom. I'm my own child. with people. How does it matter? We are humans. And it's periscope, not a temple. Yeah, come over, Ash. Come over. Yeah, tomorrow morning you have to go to a South Indian restaurant. Probably in Queens or Jackson Heights. Okay, you had dosa? I said this is the only place I've seen the authentic South Indian dosa made by South Indian people. Otherwise, mostly they are different, not the same as they are cooking here. Yeah, like you need a variety sometimes. Yes, I am a fan of dosas and idlis and vadas. Yeah, I know. We eat a lot in Delhi. So you know, there was a South Indian restaurant called Karnataka Sangha. Every Friday from office we used to go there. That's why we are so fond. Yeah, and like potato curry, I can eat it every day. The Punjabi potato curry. Okay, take care, Ash. Yeah, see you later. Thank you for joining. This is the white sauce, coconut and peanuts sauce.